16 I think is such a cute folksy one, and it's again really simple, and I hope you're not getting bored walking through these each day, but just in case anyone wanted to know how to do any particular flower that I did in the examples, I wanted to walk you through all 32 of them. So we are going to grab flower number 16, and I'm going to do this light peachy color. Make sure I have it on its own layer and go ahead and stamp it down. I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger so you can see better. And we'll move it down just a little here. Now we need to create that just little arc. So I will add a new layer, grab my monoline brush, and then I can draw an arc. And if you hold it down, again, you can make it a kind of perfect arc. And now you could just color that in, or I'm gonna complete the shape down here just so I can drag and drop my color right in. And now I will tap that layer and hit clipping mask so it confines itself to my flower. And I am going to grab white, make sure I have a thick-ish, let's test one out. A little too thick, a little thinner. And now I'm just gonna alternate long and short lines. And again, if you hold your pencil down, you can create a perfect line and adjust it and drag it into place. I'm gonna 2-finger tap and redo that one. And then if you wanted to adjust any of your lines, you can see mine are a little unevenly spaced. So I could grab the little ribbon tool here, and you can circle each one and use the arrow tool to kind of, oop, I got too much there. Can you see how I got some of my pink? So if that was on its own layer, it wouldn't happen. That's why I usually use lots and lots of layers so I can edit really easily. Since I have the pink arc on the same layer, I just have to be careful not to grab that when I select it. So you can also change the angle with the green tool to rotate it, or the green dot. So you can go along and adjust those if you feel like you need to. Now I'm gonna grab the light yellow color and make my monoline brush just a little bigger, and just add a little dot to the top of each petal. And now we want to add some really folksy stamens. So we're going to add a new layer and tap and hold and drag it below our flower. First, we'll go ahead and create our stem. I'm going to use the lighter green and make it nice and thick here. And then I'm going to grab my darker green and make it just a little skinnier and draw in those lines. Again, you can 2-finger tap to undo. And now for the little stamen, I actually use the stamp flower. You could use any one of these that you think look cute. You could use flower 5, you could use flower 7. I happen to have used flower 2, and I'm gonna do these on a new layer just so they're easy to adjust if I need to. 2-finger tap to undo, and now you've got that cute little flower. Today I will just grab my 4 flower layers and pinch them down into one, and now my floral is complete.